Rental Property Investing, The Ultimate Guide to Creating Crazy Money from Real Estate Investing. Written by J. Lorin. Narrated by Stephen M. Gillikin.
Introduction. When you mention rental property investment, there is so much to think about. There are also so many people interested in hearing what you have to say about it because it's a popular way to make money. The main reason for this is the fact that rental property investment is a big deal across the world. This is an area that not only millionaires and billionaires, but everyone with a bit of money can invest and increase their income with. It is true that in this civilized world, there will always be a need for housing. As the world population continuously increases, the demand for accommodation, as well as housing for other purposes, grows. At the same time, the cost of living is rising, meaning that many people are struggling to find good and affordable accommodations. The cost of land and buildings is also rising, which leaves the majority of people using rentals as their only solution. And that is where investors come in. And this is the main reason why millions of people across the world find rental property investment a good option. With many people looking at their friends as they become richer and richer from the rental of property, they are convinced it is the right way to go. History also plays a vital role in the whole picture of rental property investment. History has shown us how much money and wealth can be harvested from this type of investment. Rental property investment is a channel for making money and getting rich as long as you do it right. However, one might be wondering what right means. There are many ways of defining what the right way is. When you look at the history, especially in the US, between the year 2000 and 2007, where people made millions or even billions of dollars by investing in real estate and rental properties, you will see for sure that there is good money to be reaped from investing in rental property. However, the events of 2008 and 2009 will make you question the whole rental investment area. This is because in the year 2008, the U.S. suffered one of the biggest economic meltdowns. All this resulted from investment in real estate property. Millions of people lost their homes, as well as millions of dollars of investment. Many companies also collapsed, losing billions. This can be termed as the wrong way of investing in a rental property and real estate. In fact, you don't want to make the same mistakes that people made in this era. Looking at the level of growth since 2009 that has been experienced in the U.S. and other countries across the world, especially in Singapore, it is clear that rental property is a worthy investment. And this has led to a huge shift in investment options. Millions of people have shifted from the stock market into property investment as a result of huge returns. Other than huge returns, rental property is an investment. You have full control over your finances as opposed to investing in the stock market where there are many variables. The fact that rental properties are actually a tangible investment has also contributed to an increase in the rate of investment. As much as rental property has continuously performed very well, wrong decisions can easily lead to losses. Rental property investment also has its own risks and advantages. As a result, it is only careful investors who are able to grow and reap huge amounts of money, performing well over a long period of time. So, if you are thinking of becoming an investor in rental property, then you have to be ready to research and understand so many things before you jump in if you do not want to make losses. For someone interested in becoming a rental property investor, it means you have gathered as much information as possible to help you make the right decision and follow the right strategies to do well. You do need to take your time. Understanding the whole rental property investment area is important. Knowing what to do and where potential losses may occur will help you to make the most of the opportunity. So, don't rush in. Learn to do it properly. Chapter 1. Understanding Rental Property Investment. Rental property investment is a broad area that is yet to be tapped to its full extent. There is an increasing demand for housing space across the world, hence leading to a huge market for rental property. Looking at available data from research conducted across the US, Europe, and other countries across the world, it is evident that there is a huge number of people investing in a rental property and earning huge profits. However, for a beginner, the biggest concern is how to understand and get
Sample complete. Ready to continue?